Hello and welcome to one of the most beautiful developments here in Burraneer. This property's got lifestyle, class, and it's here on the market. As you can see, this property has all the high-end inclusions. You've got your smart stone bench tops, you've got your gas cooktop, you've got automated blinds and feature lighting.
As you can see, this north-facing yard gets lots of sun. And inside, this natural light flows through these commercial-grade windows and doors.
This is more like a house than a townhouse. Upstairs, we've got 4 generous bedrooms and a great second living area.
Well, I think I've shown you almost everything about this property. But I got one little surprise. I'm going for a ride.